Every year, many millions of Muslims around the world celebrate the festival of Eid ul-Adha. They offer prayer, they sacrifice the animals, and they love together, they live together, they spend time with each other. But have you ever stopped and wondered that why do Muslims celebrate Eid ul-Adha? Is it because of a religious purposes, or is it because of something unbelievable or something very shocking that you needs to understand? So here in this video I am gonna tell you the story of trust, faith, and how one person in this world that lived thousands of years were tested from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Long ago lived Prophet Ibrahim, the Prophet of Allah, and during his time people usually used to worship idols which were made of stones and sand and all that stuff. But Ibrahim thought that no, this is not possible. God has made us, but since we are making idols, we are the ones who are making them, so how can they be the real God? So in this way Ibrahim searched for the truth, and this kind of confidence of Ibrahim alayhi salam and all the stuff, such as like he was a patient guy, he was also used to have very trust, he was very devotion. So due to all these things he is also known as one of the most respected prophets in Islam. Throughout his life, Ibrahim alayhi salam faced many tests, but each time he would remain patient and only trust in Allah. And in his life he used to pray for his son. He used to pray that he should get a son. So after years of sincerely praying to God, and so after all this kind of prayer, Allah finally blessed him with a son whose name was Ismail. As Ismail grew older and older, the relationship between the father Ibrahim and the son Ismail grew even stronger, and their relationship shared a personal and deep bond. Also, fun fact, Ismail alayhi salam is also one of the 25 prophets in Islam. But then there was one night on which everything changed. Ibrahim alayhi salam got a dream from Allah, and in the dream he saw that Allah has commanded him to sacrifice his son for him. Now imagine how difficult and hard he must have been feel. He is loving his son since he was born. So you can just think about it, how sad he feel. But the main question is that would he just sacrifice his son and fulfill the command of God? And would he place everything for God? Would he give everything for God? We will see the answer. But then what happened is still remembered in the history of Islam. The father Ibrahim told Ismail that what he had seen in the dream, and when he told that Allah has commanded him to sacrifice his son Ismail, then after seeing this, what Ismail did is that he said that, yes father, do what Allah has commanded and you will find me patient. And at this moment, unlike other people who would be like very sad or very angry, none of them were sad, not even they had any fear, because they trusted Allah completely. They trust him in his decisions. As the time went by and as Ibrahim alayhi salam prepared the test and he was ready to sacrifice his son, but at the last moment Allah stopped him, and instead a ram was sent as sacrifice. So Allah had seen the faith and trust in the eyes of Ismail and Ibrahim alayhi salam, and he rewarded them completely, and their test had been successfully passed. That event is known as Eid ul-Adha. But Eid ul-Adha is not only about sacrifice. It teaches a lesson that you should continue your faith, your trust, and your devotion in Allah, and what He has commanded you have to fulfill it. And also in this Eid ul-Adha, and in current era, there are families who gather meat, share it with their loved ones, friends and families, and share with people who are in need. The message behind Eid ul-Adha is not to just only sacrifice animal, but to trust Allah, but to remember the story of Ibrahim alayhi salam, how brave he was, how ready was he to fulfill Allah's command, how brave he was. And This also tells that we should have faith in Allah and we should remain thankful for all of the moments that we make. Now, you know the real story behind Eid ul Adha, and this is why Muslims around the world celebrate this festival. And if you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe and share for more history and Islamic content.